Regardless of your design aesthetic, you deserve a bedroom that promotes a good night's rest. If you can't figure out exactly where to begin with your makeover, watch this roundup of practical and affordable bedroom decorating ideas, including some creative DIY projects you can do in a weekend and ideas for small bedrooms. 1. Experiment with a console table. Of course, you can settle for traditional nightstands, but why not mix things up by considering a low-profile console table instead? Spruce one up with your favorite bedside accessories, including an oversized mirror, petite table lamp and framed artwork. 2. Go for a black and white palette. Warm up a classic black and white color scheme with stylish decor accents, like a woven planter or a wooden bench at the foot of the bed. Introduce additional contrast with a black canopy bed and patterned textiles. 3. Arrange a statement gallery wall. You can never go wrong with an eye-catching gallery wall, especially in a bedroom setting. Create a cohesive look with black frames that are perfect for displaying your favorite photographs, mementos, and more. 4. Add a pop of color. Keep all gray bedrooms from looking tired with a bold pillow or throw. The teal here adds just the right amount of color and fun to an otherwise serene space. 5. Hang a mirror or two. Your eyes aren't deceiving you, mirrors make any room look bigger by reflecting light. A mirror as a headboard or even leaning up against the wall will help a small room feel spacious. 6. Try a little moodiness. Take a cue from designer Dan Mazzarini and add a touch of drama. The black accent wall mixed with jewel-toned pillows and accents gives this bedroom a sophisticated look without being stuffy. 7. Swap in a rolling cart. A bar cart makes a great nightstand. Keep a lamp and alarm clock up top, a carafe and glasses on the middle shelf, and extra linens in a catch-all basket underneath, so everything you could ever need is in reach. 8. Dress up the dresser. Adding a statement-making display on top of your storage will draw the eye away from overflowing drawers. This home takes advantage of a hanging poster and brass bookends, but framed family photos also do the trick. 9. Add interesting trim. The simple addition of rickrack, ribbon, or trim borders on bed skirts, pillowcases, or shames can yield glowing results. The blue detail on this bedding ties in colors from the headboard and creates a cohesive look. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.